Lord, you said in your word, if we sow, we shall reap if we faint not. Well, Father, I sowed my seed, and I'm just asking, Lord, can you please remember to rain down on me, Lord? Rain down on me. Rain down on me. Lord, rain down on me. Rain down on me. Lord.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. So let's just get right into this video. So right here, as you can see, I am trying to part my sections of how I want to mold my style. Usually when I do my videos, my hair is already washed and conditioned. You'll rarely see it on camera unless I'm just like super being lazy and just was like, whatever, you know, I'll do it on camera. But other than that, I will already be starting my videos with just going right into the style. My hair is like 90% shrinkage, y'all. It's crazy. I hate it, but I love it too. So here I am starting my 2-strand twist, and what I'm doing is I'm going to start it from the left all the way to the right side, like in the back of my head. So where I put the part, that's where I'm going to start my 2-strand twist all the way around. So I'll show you guys a clip of the right side, my right side facing you in the video of the back I've already completed, and then I'm going to move on to the left. Y'all, don't judge me, but every single video you guys are definitely going to see me stop and admire my curl pattern. Like, I just can't get enough of like how my curls just pop, and they're all different curls each and every time. So like sometimes I think I have a little bit of 3 mixed in with this 4BC crap going on, because it's just, they be doing their own thing, but I love them. You gotta stop and embrace your curls, you know. So I'm just twisting that up, finishing up the twisting, and then I'll show you guys a full clip of the complete back side of my head twisting. So here I didn't really show you all how I did the whole rubber band thing right here, but I mean, I'll just tell you, it's not that deep. So what I did was I basically just parted the top part of my hair in 1, 2, 3 sections, and I just made a connector. So I connected it with rubber bands, attached the end of the hair to the other piece that's like twisted on the side, and then I took the 2 pieces and basically wrapped them together to make like a little ghetto bantu knot, because that's not even a bantu knot, it's just like a ball on top of my head. But don't judge me, it was just a simple style I needed to do for the rest of the week. And here you have the completed style. I didn't show y'all the other side, but hey, what you do on the left, you do on the right. So the top part of my head is basically complete. The back is complete. And now we're going to add a little bit of bling. You can't go wrong with a little bit of bling in your head. This just sets off the style and basically adds a little flavor to it. You guys can actually get these. I call them braid rings, because usually you see people use them like when they get like box braids or anything like that. But you can get them off of Amazon, eBay. I actually ordered mine off Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description box, and mine came in 120 pieces, so they have silver and gold. So I went ahead and got both, or both came in the package. So I'm just gonna put them over the rubber bands at the top of my head just to hide them. Like I said, add a little bit of pizzazz to the style. I'm not sure, but I'm sorry if y'all hear like some swishing noise in the background. That's the air conditioner. So following after I put the jewelry in my head, I'm going to always always lay my edges. So again, I have this 24-hour edge control tamer, and God, every time I do my video, I keep forgetting to tell you guys who this edge control is by, but I had got mine from the local beauty supply store, and it holds my edges literally for 24 hours, and they even have one for 48 hours. So your edges won't go anywhere unless you just like really wet them and brush them away. It literally stays down. Like, I love this edge control. Because I literally tried a bunch of different edge controls, olive oil, cream of nature, nothing would lay my edges down, y'all. Like, I'm serious. Like, I have the most stubborn edges that anybody can have. But once I found this stuff and started trying it out, I was like, thank you, Jesus. My edges are pasted. Gorilla Snot didn't even work, guys. Gorilla Snot, like, nothing will lay my edges down. But this stuff is a miracle worker. I gotta lay them baby hairs in the back of my neck too. You know, they be curling up, doing their own thing. Sometimes I do have to re-go over it. That's how stubborn my edges are. I have to like go over the same area twice just to like, y'all, I don't understand where my edges came from, but jeez, these little mamas is stubborn for real. So, I mean, here is the completed style. Bam, bam. So, thank you all for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share if you want to. God bless, and y'all have a good day. Bye.